Okay, here we go. We just got the parts off the printer. So the idea is this piece goes in here, sort of shoves in as a sort of a clamping mechanism. These pieces, they are going to go together. I gotta focus, huh? Focus on my fingers. So they are going to go together sort of like this, and this whole thing is gonna, see, it sort of inserts. What we have is we have our magnetic plugs from Adafruit, and so the idea is that these have this little notch, and in our design we also have that little notch, so we printed them like this so they maintain that feature. Yeah, so then let's see if it can go together. The idea is that this just kind of snugly fits in there, which it seems like it will do. And then this piece goes the same way, like that. And then the idea is we are going to use a little bit of Gorilla Glue to hold it all together. Apparently it's pretty good for TPU, but we'll find out. Maybe it's not. So we'll just do a dab here. And we will see if we can snugly hold it together. Always try and close the glue while it's holding it dry. We'll see. So if this works, that's great. Otherwise, the other way we do this is I think we just hot air to fuse the sort of melt the TPU together with hot air. Might be the other way we do it. So while that's fusing together, then the next part is to fit this through here, like so. And then of course, glue that together too. But I'm not sure that that glue is gonna be good, so we might just melt the whole thing together. That might be nicer. Because in the final part is this, snugly getting this all together here. I don't know, my cable is a little bit thick, but it's the beauty of TPU. It's a soft print. We can kind of force it to work. And that's the idea. The whole thing put together. Now I think what we do is we just hit this with a little bit of hot air, and then just a little bit of tiny little bit of stringing there, but that's not bad for a 30-minute print to get a little housing for our magnetic connector. Feels all right.